Welcome to Brain Vision.
All right, so here we have a graph of our, for a vehicle, the miles per gallon, how well we're able to do with respect to how fast the car is moving in miles per hour. So let's fix that, make it green so it looks a little bit better. All right, miles per hour. Okay, so part A is we want to basically know what is a meaning of f prime of v. And f prime of v, that's basically looking at the derivative of f with respect to v. So our units will be in, notice it'll be miles per gallon per miles per hour. So basically f prime of v, and I'll try to write it out for you, is the rate of change, the instantaneous rate of change of our gas mileage, F, with respect to speed, in miles per gallon per miles per hour. Now, the cool thing is with the units is that when you divide two fractions, you can multiply by the reciprocal, that's mile. And so you can see that we're really looking at how many hours you're able to drive per gallon. So f prime of v actually gives us hours per gallon in terms of when we kind of work the units out. So that's really cool. And so the question is, what's the best gas mileage, or what speed is the best for the gas mileage? Well, we really want to get the best miles per gallon. So we are going to try to find that max on the graph. And it looks like to be about 55 miles per gallon. So it looks like if we go, well, let's write it in this form. Whoops. Okay, so it looks like we can get 55. Oh, actually, let me correct that. I had the units wrong. Okay, so we can get the max on the graph, but we want the v, what speed? And this looks like a speed of 55 miles per hour. So if we go a speed of 55 miles per hour, that is our max miles per gallon. So that's super cool. Next thing we want to do is to be able to draw a graph of our derivatives. So I will do that in a sec here. All right, so we're just going to do a rough sketch here. And remember that the slope of f with respect to v is basically the slope of the derivative of f with respect to v is the slope of the graph of f versus v. So notice here, like at around 20, we have a positive slope, and then it kind of gets somewhat horizontal and then becomes negative. So just super rough sketch, something like positive going towards 0, slope going towards negative. It has some shape to it, but roughly we're going to basically go from a positive slope to a negative slope. Notice that then our hours per gallon is dependent on our miles per hour. So that's really cool. So anyway, hopefully that helped. Have a wonderful day.